Good morning everyone and happy Vlogmas day 3. I'm just awake out of bed. That's why I have serious bedhead. I need to wash my hair today. Probably do it tonight. My face looks really glowy today. I'm using the Miss. I'll learn how to say that brand one day. The Superfood. This is the glowy primer moisturizer. Like I said, like it says, you can use it as a primer or a moisturizer, and I've just been using it as a moisturizer the last week or so. I have mentioned that in a favorites before, but I just haven't worn it in a long time, and someone commented that my skin looked really glowy one morning, and it's that moisturizer. So I'm really enjoying doing Vlogmas so far, guys. It's just been great, and even reading through all the comments and things, some people had said that they first discovered my channel during Vlogmas back in 2017, and actually that's so funny because I think that was one that everybody watched. It was the one that I was the most upset. I had just gone through a breakup and I was in a really bad place mentally and emotionally and physically and everything. I just look awful. Can't bring myself to watch those vlogs. Other times I think that those vlogs saved my life and gave me purpose, getting up every morning and filming that Vlogmas. I remember how I felt every single day. I just felt awful. But the purpose of actually getting up filming Vlogmas was just amazing. And like I said, it probably saved my life at the time. So it's just really weird that some of you guys are still watching from discovering me then, and you look forward to Vlogmas as much as I do. So I hope you're having a fantastic Thursday. Have you any major plans for today? Obviously, I was out with Lisa yesterday. She made me these amazing Kinder Bueno. There was both in them cookies, and oh my god, guys, they're so good. She said she got the recipe off a girl called Jane's Patisserie, and she had a cookbook that she showed me. The cookies weren't in it, but she sent me on the link to the cookies, and I have to make them this week at some stage, so we'll make them together. I think there's 6 of the mini Kinder bars in it, and there's I think 8 Kinder Bueno bars in it. It's crazy. There's so much chocolate in it, but they were just absolutely delicious, and with a cup of tea, perfect. I think one of the days I might do a Q&A because I haven't done one of them in a long time, so I'll insert that in as a little snippet into one of the vlogs, maybe 10 questions or something. If you guys have any other ideas or any other things you want to see over Vlogmas, let me know. And the other thing is, I had read a lot of your recommendations on using Instagram for a selling page. I live under a rock. I do social media, and I didn't know that you could use Instagram as a selling page, so that possibly will be the route that I'll take. So Noah, we have to open number 2 this morning. Where is number 2? Over here. Yeah, open number 2. Look what's inside. Chocolate! Whee! In a couple of years you'll be able to eat the chalky out of it. But for now, it's mine. Thanks for helping. Oh, we got Santi. Also got a pretty little thing order. First thing, honestly, it's not that interesting. It's a Chicago t-shirt. I already have this, but I absolutely love it, and mine has just gone nearly threadbare because I wear it so often, so I've had to throw it out. And this is the name of it, but yeah, it just looks like that. And like I said, my other one that I had is threadbare, but I absolutely love this t-shirt, and it was on sale on Black Friday for €5, so I had to get it. I know this is a major problem with fast fashion, anyway, and I participate in it, so I'm not much better. But I ordered this, and it was supposed to be a cream jumper. That's a biscuit nude color. It is not cream in any way, shape or form. It's a roll neck. I just wanted to show you what the picture of that jumper looks like. I know it says stone, and there's kind of a light kind of colour there that looks similar to the jumper. Loads of different pictures of it looking clearly cream. I don't know, unless I can't tell my colours apart, but that just looks cream to me. Even with her shoes, they look nude, and this just looks cream. I don't know. So I just tried it on, and I actually really like it. I don't know how I feel about a turtleneck. I don't normally wear them, and I just feel I'm gonna be but this one's kind of loose, so I don't feel as constrained in it or as constricted. But it is really nice, actually. I just wish it was that kind of cream color, but I'm not that disappointed in it. I think I'm gonna hang on to this. I think it'd be nice with a pair of leather trousers. I actually got a pair of leather trousers from H&M. These are the things I got in
Home Savers or B&M yesterday. I picked up jammies for Noah. These are the love Christmas. I think these were $5.50. They match an adult ones of these as well. I thought these were so cute. They have like a little penguin, a snowman, and a plum pudding on the front. I just thought they were adorable. I love the stripes. Pop socket for Paddy. And then we got some toothbrushes, one for me, one for him. I picked up a bottle of Shore, the Bright Bouquet, and I also got a bottle of Imperial Leather body wash. I think that's in the boot of the car because I don't have it here. I don't know where it is. Some cozy socks, navy and red ones. Look, they have like a really like cute candy cane on them. And then these, do they have anything on them? No, just candy canes on them, and there's little hearts on them ones and stripes. I just thought they were quite cute. Look at this mug. I woke up like this. I had to get this. I love the little eyelashes on it, and I just thought it was like the perfect coffee cup. It was I hate the way they have all the pounds on it, and I can't tell you what they were in euro unless I go by my receipt, which I think I may have thrown out. And then the last thing we got was a Santa sack for Noah, and it has a big N on it, and that was £7. I think that was actually like €9 or something like that. I can't quite remember. Again, I'd have to get my receipt, but they're all the little bits that we got from Home Savers. I'm just packing up Noah's clothes, and I found his little gloves. There's 2 in there with his little hat, and then I've all his laundry here done and ready, and I just kind of need to sort through what I'm bringing. I think I need a good few vests with me actually. I don't think I have very many vests in Paddy's house, and definitely long sleeve ones because it's colder, so I'll leave a few here as well. Oh, there was his late toy show. I think I showed you that. I'm not sure. I think I might have showed it on a vlog, or not a vlog, a haul, but it's so cute. And while I'm here, I'll unbox these 2 packages, one from ASOS, one from H&M. Sorry, this is such an awkward angle. It's just the only place that I can put the camera. Oops, I know I won't be returning these, that's why I'm opening this box like this. First thing I got were these socks from Adidas. You know, I got grey and white socks. So I got 3 pairs. They came in a set. I don't know why they're like that, but there's a white pair with grey Adidas on them, a grey pair with white, and then a darker grey. These are actually kind of thick. They're thicker than my white ones. Oh, they're lined. They're fluffy. Oh my god, they are going to be so warm. Love them. Great, delighted with them. The other thing I got was a pair of earrings. So these are like thunderbolts or lightning strikes. Oh my god, can't speak. Lightning bolts. Cute. They're just like little lightning ones. I think I'm going to put them in now. This is H&M package. So there's to open. And I'll carefully open this because I don't know if I'm going to be keeping. So I have 2 items and I'll show you them now. So I ordered this bag. It's a cream one, and I actually have the exact same one in black, which I showed on TikTok. I just got the same one in cream because I use it so often. I'll tilt this up this way now because you don't need to see. This is the cream bag, and I absolutely love the black one. Like, I use it so often, but when I purchased it, I was like, I wish this was in cream. Oh, also I put the earrings in. Aren't they so cute? I really like them. They're so nice. Anyway, I purchased the cream version because I just use the white or the black one so often now. I know this is going to get absolutely filthy, so I'm just going to have to be careful with it, but I really like it. I think it's like a Prada inspired one. You know the way the Prada one has like the things on the side that you can clip a little purse onto or whatever, but I just really like this, and I just think for the winter and everything, the cream is going to be well worn, so I really like that. And because it's that kind of fabric, it's easy to clean down, so if I do get like makeup on it or whatever, I can clean it down, but I'm going to try and avoid that at all costs. And then I ordered a pair of trousers. These took so long to come, this whole order, that I've forgotten what these trousers even look like. I know I've been on the hunt for a pair of black trousers, leather trousers that are wide-legged, and these are the ones that I went for from H&M. I can't remember what size I ordered. A 6. They look very small. Like, there is no give in them at all. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try these on and see what they're like. So this is what they look like. They fit quite well. Like, they're not too tight or anything like that. They fit really snug, and they are long enough to wear that where they're not going to be like too short with runners. Like, I don't want them up like that. Like, they're a nice length, and I'm 5'4" just for reference. I think they're really nice. They're like a nice kind of bagginess to them, but not too baggy.
And yeah, I really like them. Just had the issue of what kind of shoes I wear with these. Like Air Force Ones are such like a obvious choice, but I don't really like white runners with these black pants. I don't know, I have my Falcons on the other side. What would you wear with these trousers? Like, what sort of shoes do you wear with these? I am so bad at fashion, can you tell? Yeah, honestly, I'm not the best at like picking out things. I never know like what way to pair outfits. I used to be so much better, but I think since lockdown happened, I've never, like, I've no idea what to be wearing anymore. Like, unless it's joggers, I'm lost. Like, I don't know what to be wearing. So yeah, I need to kind of figure out what shoes to wear with these. But these are very, very comfortable. I'll be 1,000,000% hanging on to these. Like I said, I just need to find out what sort of footwear to wear with them. A lovely pair of black and white high top Jordans would be lovely, but they are as rare as hen's teeth. So I'm just going to have to try and find something that would go nice with them. Maybe some Chelsea boots would be nice if I can get the perfect pair. Who knows? We're still on the hunt. Right, so settled on this as an outfit. I'm just wearing this like crop top from Penny's. No, it is from Penny's, sorry. Scarf is, I think, H&M last year. This jacket, or like, I don't know what it is, like a blazery coat thing, is from Penny's as well. And then my trousers are the new H&M ones, and then my Air Force, they don't look good at all, so I need to find some other kind of footwear that would go with something like this. How are you getting on with your teddy? Do you love him? That's the first time you've ever played with him. The best teddy ever. Yes, he is. Careful now. I have him on my breastfeeding pillow. I had to put a jumper on. I'm actually, after getting so cold, it's just gone really, really bitter. Here's your teddy. Why are you throwing him away? Yes, after getting so cold out, I'm going to watch a Christmas movie, I think. I don't know, is it too early to watch Christmas movies? When do you start watching your Christmas movies? Normally I start watching them in the beginning of December. I know a lot of people wait till like Christmas week. And what's your favorite Christmas movie? I have a few. I love The Family Stone. That is definitely one of my favorite ones. Home Alone, obviously. Love Actually is another one that I absolutely love. Like, I have a few up there that I absolutely love. The only one that I hate, and I know I've mentioned this before, and I know people were like, oh my god, how could you hate that movie? But it's Elf. I absolutely hate, and I mean hate, the movie Elf. It irritates me to no end. So yeah, not an Elf fan. Noah wants to stand up. He hates sitting down. And he's going, oh, they're mommy's glasses. I feel like he's going to break them. Okay, I'm going to take them off him. So Vlogmas day 2 is done and dusted. Finished editing. I'm just going to export it now and then put all today's footage in. It'd be great just to kind of get it done and edited tonight as much as I can before I finish it off, because that's what I usually do. I try and edit it throughout the day, and it just kind of makes editing everything a little bit easier, especially with a baby. Oh my god, guys, we are certain Noah said mama. Listen to this. I don't care if he doesn't know what he's saying. I'm convinced he said mama, and I'm going to take that as his very first time to say mama. Oh my god, he's so cute. My god, look at the greasy face of me. I'm just after finishing editing today's vlog, and we just had dinner. I gave Noah some carrots and parsnips. He loved it. He ate it all, and I am so excited that I'm convinced he said mama. I don't care if he doesn't know what he's saying. I'm convinced he said it. So right now I'm going to finish editing today's vlog. I'm going to wrap up today's vlog right now, and I will talk to all you guys in tomorrow's video. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye guys.